The Sony ZX110 headphones are actually the best value for money headphones that you can currently purchase. And you can usually purchase these headphones for only a bit over $10. And actually I really like the build quality of these headphones, because if you purchase any other headphones at this price range, they won't last you very long, maybe maximum of 2 months. These can last for several years. And actually I have used these headphones for quite a long time in the past. We literally have 3 of these in our home, and yeah, I know them very well, and they actually have been very durable. And these headphones also can be very easily adjusted, so they will fit pretty much anyone actually. Another great thing about these is that you can actually very easily fold them, so they will take up very little space. So maybe if you're traveling, you can simply throw these in your bag and they will pretty much take up 0 space. Also, the cable on these also is extremely good. As you can see, it's actually made of very decent quality, and it's not thin like on other cheap headphones. So this is actually fairly durable. Again, I literally have had 3 of these for many years, and the cable really is superb on these. Again, I don't know any other headphones in this price range that has this kind of quality cable here. Also, I would say the comfort on these headphones also is actually pretty decent, and they can be used over a long period of time and it will be still comfortable. When it comes to the build quality, the only negative thing really about these headphones is these like pads here, and they actually wear out with time. I would say maybe you will get 1 year out of them, and then you have to basically replace them as they will start to flake over here. I think that could be improved. Okay, so what about the sound quality? So these actually do get 30mm driver units in them, and actually the sound quality again for this price is completely mind-blowing. Maybe if you spend like $40 or $50 on Sony headphones, then of course those will sound a bit better. But again, we have to remember these headphones literally cost only a bit over $10. And again, in this price range, up to maybe $20, I think these are the best sounding headphones there are. However, compared to the higher priced Sony headphones, I would say the sound quality on these are actually kind of flat. Still, I think the sound quality is extremely decent for this price you are paying, but still maybe if you spend like $50 on Sony headphones, then you will actually get a bit better sound quality. However, really I can't complain about these at all. Also, I'm actually a huge fan of wired headphones, as obviously with wireless headphones you do get a bit of a lag. With these there aren't really any issue, and you can easily still use them with a smartphone that even has Type-C port if you get an adapter like this that literally costs maybe $1. And obviously do not have to worry about recharging these as well. And still in 2024, I still think these Sony ZX110 headphones are the best value for money headphones that you can get. You do get very decent sound quality, but most importantly, you also get extremely good build quality on these. And really, I do not think there are actually better headphones up to $25 really. These really are the best. If they would cost those $25, I still think they will be great headphones. Again, if you try to spend your $20 maybe on some other headphones, they won't last you maybe for more than a month or 2. These can actually last for several years without any problems. And really, I think that is the main reason why these Sony ZX110 headphones are the most sold headphones in the world. They really are that great. And you really can't go wrong with these. Good luck!